Hey, guess what? Hershey has their excuse me, annual car show, and we're going. Do you want to come with? Okay. I just wanted to say, I used to be somewhat of a motorhead. I used to love working on cars and stuff, but now I'm not allowed to touch them anymore. So this is a really special treat. I'm going to take you with us. Okay, we're leaving in a couple minutes. I'll keep you posted.
It's not.
Hey, it's Recovering Ron. Recovering Ron.
Let me show you his backpack.
It's a fanny pack. There's Kenny.
Here
we go.
Speed Racer. Here he comes. Here comes
Oh,
Speed
it's
Racer.
cool. Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Are we ready?
SpongeBob ready.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're here, but this is where we had to park, and that's where we gotta go, over there. I don't know where we're gonna start. We gotta cross this mess.
Somewhere deep in the hills of old Bally, Scotland.
It was exactly 1 year ago that Speed Racer and his Mach 5 defeated us. We swore that someday we would get our revenge. That time is almost at hand.
So we parked way over there, and these poor people don't realize that they're gonna have to jump the fence because there's no gate.
Let's break that speed record. Let's break that speed record. Let's break that speed record.
Say hi.
Let's break that speed record.
Hi. What car show do you want to get in?
Let's break that speed record.
There's bees. Giant center. It's giant. Okay.
Trixie. Oh, Speed, are you all right? You were wonderful.
You have beaten us, Speed Racer, but I solemnly swear you will pay for our defeat. We will race you again soon. And we will beat you.
Oh, yeah. I know.
My pappy said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln.
I'll take the movie too.
Have you heard the story of the hot rod race when the Fords and Lincolns were setting the pace? That story is true, I'm here to say I was driving that Model A. It's got a Lincoln motor,
Hey.
it's really souped up.
What's
That Model A body makes it look like a pup. It's got 8 cylinders and uses them all. It's got overdrive, just won't stall. With a 4-barrel carb and a dual exhaust with 4 11 gears, you can really get lost. Got safety tubes, but I ain't scared. The brakes are good, tires fair. Pulled out of San Pedro late one night. The moon and the stars was shining bright. We was driving up Grapevine Hill, passing cars like they was standing still. sudden, in a wink of an eye, a Cadillac sedan passed us by and said, boys, if you mark for me. By then, the taillight was all you could see. Now the fellas ribbed me for being behind, so I thought I'd make the Lincoln unwind. Took my foot off the gas and man alive, I shoved it on down into overdrive. Wound it up to 110, my speedometer said that I hit top end. My foot was glued like lead to the floor, that's all there is and there ain't no more. Now the boys all thought I lost my sense, and telephone poles looked like a picket fence. They said slow down, I see spots, the lines on the road just look like dots. Took a corner, sideswiped the truck, crossed my fingers just for luck. My fenders was clicking the guardrail post, the guy beside me was white as a ghost. Smoke was coming from out of the back when I started to gain on that Cadillac. Knew I could catch him, I thought I could pass. Don't you know by then we'd be low on gas. We had flames coming from out of the side. Could feel the tension, man, what a ride. I said, look out boys, I got a license to fly. And that caddy pulled over and let us by. Now all of a sudden she started knocking me down, and as if she started to rock. And I looked in the mirror, red light was blinking. The cops was after my hot rod Lincoln. They arrested me and they put me in jail, and they called my pappy to throw my bail. And he said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln.
Two lanes for this road.
Okay, we're done. That was fun. We'll have to do that again next year.